In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add washi tape and placeholder stickies in FigJam. Start by opening your FigJam board so you're on the canvas where you want to add your elements. This makes it easier to place everything exactly where it belongs and immediately see how it fits into your layout. First, let's add washi tape. Go to the bottom toolbar and click the drawing icon. When the extra tool options appear, choose washi tape. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also press W on your keyboard to access it more quickly. Once washi tape is selected, you'll be able to choose from the built-in tape designs already available in FigJam. These are useful if you want something fast and ready to use. If you want a more custom look, click the plus icon to upload your own tape design instead. After choosing your tape style, move your cursor onto the board. Click and drag in the area where you want the tape to appear. As you drag, you'll define the placement and length of the tape, so take a moment to position it in a way that supports your layout. Washi tape is especially helpful for adding visual organization, decoration, or emphasis without making the board feel cluttered. Next, let's add placeholder stickies. Look again at the bottom toolbar and click the sticky note tool, or simply press S on your keyboard. Then click anywhere on the board to place a sticky note. At this point, you can either leave the sticky blank if you just want a visual placeholder, or type in placeholder text if you want to indicate what content should go there later. Once the sticky note is selected, you can customize it using the floating toolbar that appears nearby. From there, you can change the color, adjust the font style and size, make the text bold, apply strike through, add a link, or format the content as a list. These options are useful when you want your placeholder sticky to match the style of the rest of your board or communicate a little more clearly to collaborators. If you need to change the size of the sticky note, click on it and use the resize handles on the four corners. This helps you make the sticky larger for more visible notes or smaller if you're just using it as a simple placeholder. And that's it. You now know how to add washi tape and placeholder stickies in FigJam and how to customize them so your board is both organized and visually clear.